Our final matrix video, again dealing with Common Core standard vector and matrix quantities, performing operations on matrices and applications, is to find determinants of matrices. In this case, we have a 2 by 2 and a 3 by 3, slightly different methods, so we'll talk about each individually, then we'll do them with the technology. So, to find the determinant, or the DET, of a particular matrix, what you need to do is simply multiply down from this term to this term. So 6 times 9, 54. Minus back those two terms times one another, which is 6. So I come up with the determinant of 48. Important for finding inverses, which we'll do in a moment. Now, to find the determinant of a 3 by 3, the easiest way without using minors is simply to write the original columns and then rewrite the first column again. And work the problem by multiplying down, down, down. So in our case, we come up with 24 times 3, 72, plus 0, plus 5, minus each of the terms moving back the other way. In this case, 0. Don't forget that you're subtracting this way as well. Minus 0. Minus 9. So, I have 77 minus 9. Come up with 68. And that is the value of the determinant for a 3 by 3. That's the determinant. That's considered the value of a matrix. However, what we really want to do is find inverses. And to find an inverse of a given matrix, you use the determinant that we found earlier, but we're going to have to rearrange the numbers. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these two numbers, the 6 and 9, we're going to swap them, leaving plenty of room. These two numbers, we're going to simply change the signs on, but they stay in their same position. Now, to finish this process, we're going to divide each of them by the determinant. Since I already found the determinant was 48, we now have a full determinant. This can be multiplied back by the original matrix, and when you put the two together, and multiply it through, your answer should be an identity. If you get the identity matrix, then you have the true inverse. This is why when we multiply one matrix by its inverse on one side of an equation, it eliminates the coefficients, leaving just the variables. And so whatever the answer is on the other side is the answer for each of those variables. The homework for this section is to find the determinant of A, then the determinant of B, and finally find the inverse of A, the entire inverse matrix. Whereas these two will be individual numbers, the inverse will be a matrix. So, that is your homework for this section.